Divide 378 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 7. So now it became 17 and 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 8. So now it is 18 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 378 divided by 2 is 189. So this much for today and thanks for watching.